Hey guys, Funsho here from We Coach Crypto. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you've had a great weekend and you're looking forward to Christmas. So today I want to talk to you about some of the use cases that the Metaverse can offer. Now, I know that I've shared a lot of content about the Metaverse, but I'm going to continue to because I believe it is going to be a multi-trillion-dollar area that people will definitely want to have some form of exposure to. So before we start, as you guys know, we are on a mission to help 1 million people understand cryptocurrency. So if we've helped you in any way, please make sure you let us know. Also, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure you're getting future videos from us. And of course, please like the video and share it if you think someone else would take some great use out of it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I want to share with you guys is this video, okay, from Walmart, as you can see on your screen. Now, I want you to think about the fact that you are sat at home, you've got a headset on, and you're about to experience how you can do online shopping in a completely different way to what you're used to. So this is use case number one, online shopping. Okay, I'm going to play this video for you in full. It's 2 minutes, 20 seconds, but it's worth you watching just to get an idea of what is on its way.
Great. Looks like you need a good wine pairing. Take a look to your right. Your age has already been pre-verified through your profile, so no need to wait for an ID check. Just place the item in your cart whenever you're ready. I'm getting a notification from your connected smart fridge. It looks like you already have a full gallon of milk at home. Should we put this one back? Hey, good news. Your oil change is done. Your vehicle will be ready at the Tire and Lube Express. I've added the service charge to your cart. Now for the fun stuff. To electronics. You definitely saved the best for last. This TV has great reviews on Walmart.com. Add it to your cart, and I'll have it brought to the front for you. Need any accessories? Here are some options on Jeff.com. Looks like that's everything on your list. Are you ready to check out with Walmart Pay? I'll have the TV brought out to your car. Thanks for shopping at Walmart. Have a great day.
Okay, so if your mind is not blown right now, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, can you imagine shopping in this way? And can you imagine how many people will happily sit in their sofa with a headset on and shop in this manner and have it delivered to their door the following day, probably same day in certain circumstances? This is unbelievable what is happening right now. Okay, it's the future. This is a massive advancement in the way that we are going to be shopping in the Metaverse online. Now, there's a few things that I can pick up on immediately. First thing was that they were going to buy alcohol, but they were already pre-approved. So that means that they've got a system in place that allows you to prove your identity online, prove your age online. That means that you can purchase alcohol. and you're already pre-approved to do that. Then the next thing that came up is the fact that the smartphone was able to connect to be able to tell the Walmart Metaverse system, so to speak, that they needed milk. Now, that again is amazing. So the way that I can see and envision this happening is you've got your phone at home, you're walking around, and you might need some milk or some bread or whatever else, and you just open the app and type in what it is that you want, and it will set notifications. So, oh, I'm low on milk, click that. I'm low on this, click that. It will also give you previous shopping that you've done before. So rather than you having to go through it from the beginning all over again, you're going to have that similar kind of shopping list that you're used to having for your weekly shop, but then obviously you can add other extras to it. Now, you've got to bear this in mind. Imagine when you start having the fashion side as well, okay? And people like Adidas are already at the forefront of doing this. They have got their own land and shop that they are building in the sandbox. So that will give people the ability to load into the game, okay? Then they'll be able to visit that shop, and potentially, this is how I envision it again, you're going to be able to choose different clothing items, see how they would look on your avatar, and then order those items and again, have them delivered straight to your home. And you may also have the ability to purchase NFTs. So with Adidas, they recently did their NFT collection, raised $24 million on their first NFT collection. Okay, this is where the future is going. It's huge, absolutely huge. Now, the other thing that I've spoken to you guys about previously to do with the metaverse is gaming. Gaming is going to be massive for the metaverse. So is social media, so is entertainment, so are business meetings, so is healthcare, so is engineering, you name it. Imagine going in and then, being able to look at parts of vehicles and looking at, anything that could potentially be wrong, or building new ones, completely new. And you've got this 3D technology that allows you to take things apart, put them back together again with augmented reality, with virtual reality, all brought together with the ability to buy, to sell, to upload your own NFTs. It's just absolutely mind-boggling what is coming. Now, where do we benefit from this? We benefit as investors by finding projects that are creating the ability to be able to make this metaverse work. First and foremost. So I think that is key. We need to make sure that we're looking at projects that are going to be the building blocks, the foundations of the metaverse, and potentially get involved with these. Now, obviously, as I've told you guys time and time again, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, anything that I'm sharing with you is purely educational and for entertainment purposes only. But I just see so much opportunity with the metaverse, with gaming, with NFTs. This is just going to blow up, in my opinion. Okay, so we've got to think now, that whole experience that you've just watched with Walmart, okay, that's one major company that are obviously working on how the metaverse would work for their shopping experience. If we had millions of people using that, what kind of projects are out there that can facilitate the transactions that are going to be required, okay? The cost of those transactions that are going to be required, the security to make sure that the wallets that are connected that can facilitate those transactions is covered. These are the kind of things that you guys need to be looking at. So what's really interesting to me is, what is Walmart going to use? And that's the news you want to be keeping an eye on. Are they going to build upon Solana? Are they going to build upon Avalanche? Where are they going to go with this? So you want to keep a close eye on the news. Anything to do with the metaverse, anything to do with NFTs, anything to do with gaming, from a foundational building that structure perspective, okay, I would be all over it. Okay, so I'm going to move on to do a brief market update. I just want to show you guys how the market has just reacted to some major news that's come out. And I'm going to share my screen with you now. So as you can see, the markets are in the green. And if you look at the right-hand side of the charts, you can see that there's quite an aggressive push that has taken place. We've had a massive push up here, massive push up here, big push up here. Okay, so as things stand at the moment, market cap's at 2.27 or 2.28, if we're rounding it up, $1 trillion. That's a 6.81% increase in the last 24 hours. So it's a pretty good bounce. Bitcoin currently is at $49,243. It's up 7.25% on the 24-hour. Ethereum is back up over $4,000. It's up 6.8%. Binance up 4.3%, at $534. Solana, $182, up 6.6%. Cardano's up. XRP's up. Terra Luna is on fire. That's up 12.34% today. AVAX is on fire, up 15.43% today at $119. You know, Shiba's up, Polkadot's up, Dogecoin is up, Matic's up 11.49%. The whole market has bounced quite aggressively, and it is majorly in the green. Now, we've been talking for a little while now about the fact that it's been moving sideways, and there's been talk about, you know, it could potentially break out and that we're near the bottom, and it's very unlikely that we're going to see Bitcoin coming down towards like 20K again. All of these things are valid until proven otherwise. Okay, so the way I look at it at the moment, right, the market has reacted extremely positively to some major news. Now, for me personally, I think that people have finished buying the dip. Okay, I think that institutions are starting to throw some money in, and there are some really good opportunities that are going to present themselves coming into the new year, in my opinion. There is still a lot of fear in the marketplace in terms of the overall economy. Okay, stock market hasn't been looking good. Of course, that can have a negative effect on the crypto market, the pandemic, the devaluing of the dollar, the inflation that is continuing to happen. You know, that they're all going to have an effect. But ultimately, look at the markets today. This is extremely positive. Okay, I expect it to continue to hold in the short term. All right, none of us have got a crystal ball. We can't say for sure. Okay, we can't. Nobody can. But based on the current performance in the marketplace, I see this as an extremely positive sign. And I believe that we're likely to see further upside. So, as things stand, guys, I'm extremely bullish on the market as a whole. I'm extremely bullish on the metaverse. I really urge you guys to go off and do some homework into this, because the companies that are starting to get involved in this now, it's just wow. Okay, Disney are in, Tinder are in, Walmart are in, Adidas are in, a number of well-known celebrities like Snoop Dogg. You've got the Walking Dead franchise. You have got Care Bears, the trademark. You've got Atari that are in. You've got Facebook, who rebranded to Meta. You've got so many companies working on this. Google are in. You know, why are they coming in? Why are they doing this? Because this is the future of entertainment, social media, business, healthcare. It's just mind-blowing. Every single industry, in my opinion, is going to be disrupted off the back of this. And as always, guys, make sure that you're doing your own research. Remember to join our Discord, guys. If you're following us and watching these videos, get into our Discord. It's free, packed with information, latest news and articles, different projects that we're looking into. There's a general investment chat, so you can all talk between yourselves. Then you've got our inner circle. If you're interested, you can talk to us about how to get access to that. You can learn how to trade, get a course on how to trade the markets. There's our NFT service, so you can learn more about how to buy NFTs, how to sell them, how to create your own, get access to the latest drops, get to speak to our NFT specialist that's in there. It's the place to be that's got everything that you guys need, okay? So I hope you all have a fantastic Christmas. Please make sure you look after yourselves and each other, and I will catch up with you guys in the next one. Take care.